Library. Welcome to our tour of the Patchogue-Medford Library Makerspace. The Makerspace is a place for you to learn how to use various pieces of equipment and to use them to make your own projects. The Makerspace is located inside the main library building, downstairs, past the Children's Department and the Claire Davison Siegel Gallery.
I'm Tabitha, and this is our tour of the Patchogue-Medford Makerspace. So let's go in and see what we have. So we have two 3D printers. This is the MakerBot, and this is the Ultimaker, and they can do 3D prints of basically anything you find online or that you design yourself. So here we have the Tech Tubs, and they contain a variety of coding and scheme toys like the Botley or the Makey. And here is the Epilogue laser. It can engrave and cut a variety of materials like coasters, wood, and acrylic. So here we have the Raspberry Pis, which you can check out and bring home to work on. And we also have the Button Maker, which you can use to make your own specialized buttons or magnets. Here are the Cricut cutting machines. They're used mostly to cut vinyl and paper. Here is our mug press. You can use it to make your own custom mug. You could also print something on one of our large format printers, or use a sewing machine, or the Ellison dies, which cut specific shapes out of paper.
You can see a more detailed list of everything in the Makerspace online at pmlib.org/makerspace. Right now we're open by appointment only, so if you have an idea for a project, or you want to learn how to do something, just choose a time on our website or speak to any librarian and they can make an appointment for you.
So that's the end of our Makerspace tour. We're looking forward to seeing everything you create, and we hope to see you soon.